Hello, and welcome to Pearls of Wisdom by Pearl Operational Design. My name is Hazel Lord. Welcome back, or welcome to the channel. This one is going to be a little different. At Pod, we believe that learning is absolutely everywhere, and we take every opportunity either to speak to people who are in different fields or to go to places where we can learn more. And today, we decided to go to the Toyota Motor Manufacturing Company in Canada, in Cambridge, Ontario. Unfortunately, we were not able to record as we were driving through the plant, but let's see what the team had to say afterwards.
Okay, I was expecting to see fewer people. I saw a lot more human interaction than I had imagined. I thought it would just be a bunch of robot arms doing everything, so I saw a lot more human involvement. Some of the other things that I wasn't really thinking about was the movement around. It's a huge place, and I found it interesting the little bicycles they had, or tricycles, that the employees were getting around on. Little details like that would obviously make it easier to get from point A to point B instead of walking that huge space. And just the sheer number of signs for everything, whether it was the TV screens, the counters, I don't know what they all meant, but just a lot of signs, a lot of safety signs, instructional signs, like sign everywhere. So that was really interesting. I saw some Kanban boards while driving by. I saw some of those in the offices. I saw some KPIs that I was trying to read as we were driving past. So a lot of the stuff that I've been learning in my project management course about some of the methodologies, so it's really interesting to see that actually there, thumbed through in live action, I guess.
The integration of robots and humans and how well they work together to make the final product. I thought that was really interesting. How they were all just in sync, and humans check robot work and robots check human work. So I thought that was pretty cool.
Well, one, being in the plant, it was an overwhelming experience in a good way, watching the workers work alongside the robots. I think the welding station was really cool. It was really automotive, and I've never really seen up close the robots welding. And I think what was nice is seeing how the workers were checking on what the robots were doing, and there's like that symbiosis between the human side of everything and on the automotive side.
Tour.
I liked finding out the little things you don't realize about the manufacturing plant, the fact that they play music to signal information about their team and their needs. I thought it was really interesting. I didn't expect music to be playing.
There was so much there to absorb, to learn, to question. But what I really liked, right off the bat, what I really resonated with was the focusing around goals. Having everyone really focused on safety. They had a measure, 0 injuries. Everyone was focused on that. You had colors that aligned with safety. You had spaces that aligned with safety. You can see it embedded in all of their operations. The other one is there's always a better way. I'm a firm believer in that. We call that continuous improvement. Japanese would call it Kaizen. For me, those are the two things initially that resonated. But stay tuned, because we will definitely be taking a lot of these learnings and implementing them in helping our clients solve their business solutions. Again, if you enjoyed the video, please remember to share the knowledge. Thank you.